Welcome to this elegant, beautifully maintained home in the Waterhouse neighborhood. It's near Nike's world headquarters, Tualatin Hills Park and Rec Center, parks and nature trails in this sought-after Beaverton location, also close to fantastic shopping options. Heading inside, discover gracious living spaces with floor-to-ceiling windows, soaring ceilings, and tranquil views. You'll find a thoughtful separation of spaces with the living room opening to the formal dining room. The kitchen is well appointed with a cooktop island, breakfast bar seating, and plenty of storage space. Relax by the top-of-the-line gas fireplace to keep warm on those cold Northwest winter nights. French doors open to the office or bedroom with large windows offering abundant natural light. On the upper level, unwind in the generous primary suite while enjoying morning coffee or tea on your private deck. The primary bath features a jetted tub, separate shower, a dual sink vanity, and a large walk-in closet. You'll find quality double-paned windows and spacious rooms throughout the home. The fenced, beautifully landscaped backyard is a serene oasis with a large patio for entertaining and a hot tub ready to help you decompress after a long day at work. Within a short walking distance, you can enjoy the beautiful Jenny Lake, a private park for Waterhouse residents with a gazebo and multiple spaces to take in the tranquil setting. It's all here on Blue Ridge Drive and ready for you to call home. For more information, please contact Todd Adams with Premier Property Group.